2.5 years of renovations in just 5 minutes, and yes, this is Hot Mess Lake House renovation part 300. My first project was the sunroom where I painted absolutely everything, and people were really upset when I took out these hardwood floors, but look, I had no other option because they weren't solid hardwood and they were rotting, so I didn't even have like the option to you get it. I had to freaking change them, which means I had to take out the subfloor, which my spine does still hurt from, but it was all worth it because look at how much better it looks now. On to the living room, which kind of was giving church vibes until we took out the freaking beams, and oh my gosh, it looks so much bigger. And then much to the internet's dismay, I decided to concrete my wood fireplace, and I love how it turned out. It was trust the process, but yeah. So I didn't realize how hard it was going to be to change out that ceiling fan that was 15 feet up, but we got it done, and then we took out the old floors, put in the new ones, and oh my gosh, is my favorite room in the house. On to the dining room where the ongoing saga of Lexi versus wallpaper started. So I tried to take it off, then I decided, forget that. I'm just gonna put pole wrap over it and make this cute little accent wall, which I'm really happy I did. I painted absolutely everything and then gave this cute little dining nook a revamp. I painted it and then I reupholstered the cushions in this beautiful velvet fabric. Turned Dustin into an internet meme holding that light, and I ended up hating the light, so we changed it out, but it looks so much better now. And on to my office. Now, this day was actually the day that TikTok started doing subscribers. It was so much fun. If you know, you know. And then I took up all the crusty, dusty carpet and I threw it out the freaking window. And then Dustin took out the little nails for me. I put in new floors. And then eventually, later down the line, I ended up doing this accent wall. So we went from this to this to this. And then on to the last project I did before my dad died. My world completely shattered. Oh, that took a depressing turn, didn't it? So anyway, at this point, I moved on to my primary bedroom because, frankly, I needed a place where I could go and rest and recharge and, sit in my grief. This project took a lot out of me, but I'm really glad that I ended up doing it because this room is, my sanctuary. Then we did our closet, which was literally held together with piano hinges and a little, plastic cup. And then I hit 2 million freaking followers on TikTok. Thank you guys so much for all of the support for this series and all of my content. It truly means the world to me, and I can't thank you enough. But the closet turned out really good, and on to another closet, which is actually in our laundry room. This was a cedar closet, and frankly, I don't have any need to store fur coats, so I ended up ripping this out, and I still need to do something with this part, but we'll get to that later. After we did all of the demo, this project was another one that just drained me because we found mold, and then we thought we had asbestos in the floor, but luckily, tests came back, no asbestos, but I did break my YouTube camera. And then I also got covered in dust because, I had to do the drywall, but you know what? It's fine. Anyway, once the paint went on, I was like, oh my gosh, finally, we're seeing some progress. And then I tiled the floors. This is the night, if you were on that live, that we all met Mr. Bigglesworth, which is my penguin that can hold 2 candles. Hims can hold 2 candles. Anyway, here's what it's looking like now. We still need to finish it, but we'll get to that later. Then it was time to move on to the hallway bathroom renovation, and oh my gosh, the pipes were freaking disgusting, but we demoed absolutely everything. And then we ended up cracking the tub as we put it in, which was so much fun. And then I had to come up with this little shower niche concept situation ledge, which turned out being really great. And I loved it. Painted it green, put new tiles on the floor, changed out the light. And at this point, I ended up getting freaking verified on TikTok. Thank you guys so much. Again, I was so excited. I called my mom immediately. Then I had to test if the shower worked, put on the finishing touches, and we completely transformed this bathroom. I freaking love it. On to the much beloved hallway renovation. If you haven't figured it out by now, my favorite thing in the world is paint because it's affordable and it transforms the space real quick. Also, I put on the trim to those doors, painted them black, installed a new light, and it's looking fabulous. Oh, look, more wallpaper. I'm so excited. Just kidding, I'm not. I took that off and then I had to paint everything. And then I took off all of the cabinet doors and drawers and I gave them a really deep clean and a scuff sand. I primed absolutely everything. I ended up painting the uppers white and the lowers black and got some stunning hardware. Then it was time to do the floors and we had to undo the water line and it ended up making a flood because we didn't know how to turn it off, but we got it figured out and cleaned up and it's all good now. Then I took off the backsplash, took out the sink, and we put in this freaking awesome contact paper, and then I ended up doing the backsplash. We also put in a new sink and ended up doing peel and stick tiles on the floors, and literally it looks so freaking good. Okay, on to our current project, which is our primary bathroom renovation, where guess what? We found more wallpaper and mold. Yay! Anyway, we're still in the middle of this renovation, and although this won't be our last project and we still do have a few more things to finish up, I think this might be the perfect time to let you guys know we are moving.
Bum, bum, bum.